Hello everyone, it's our first lesson and it's gonna be about tenses, present simple. In this lesson we will learn some information about tenses aspects, how to form a present simple and when to use a present simple. But before we start, you should know when I say first person singular I mean I. Second person singular means you. Third person singular means he, she and it. First person plural means we, second person plural means again you, third person plural means they. And tense aspects. In English grammar there are three big tenses. They are past, present and the future. And each of them has four aspects. Simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. And as you know, our first lesson is about present simple. Look at this sentence. I walk to work. You speak French. They eat fruits. They are in the present simple tense. How to form a present simple? First and second person singulars form with a verb infinitive. In its formula, subject plus verb plus object. For example, I work at school. You run very fast. First, second and third person plurals form with the verb infinitive. For example, we live together. You swim in a pool. They study at college. But third person singular forms a little bit different. We add s to the verb infinitive. For example, he sings a song. She cuts her hair. It grows in the field. Verbs in third person singular. Verbs take es. These verbs ending in s, double s, ch, sh, x, and o. For example, he misses her. The verb is ending with double s and we are adding es to the verb. She finishes her hair. And the verbs take is in third person singulars. These verbs ending in a consonant plus y. We drop the y and add is. For example, he studies. She cries. Other verbs take only s. Present simple in questions. First and second person singulars form adding auxiliary verb before the subject and the verb infinitive. Its formula do plus subject plus verb and object. For example, do I need it? Do you smoke? All plurals form adding do plus verb infinitive. For example, do we go to the lesson? Do you play football? Do they understand you? But third person singular forms a little bit different. We add es to the auxiliary verb do and the verb infinitive. Verbs s goes to auxiliary verb and forms does, and then we will add verb infinitive. For example, does she go to the cinema? Does he sing? Does it snow here? Present simple in negations. First and second person singulars form adding not to auxiliary verb do after the subject and before the verb. Its formula subject plus do plus not plus verb and object. For example, I don't know him. You don't read books. All plurals form same as before, adding not to auxiliary verb do after the subject. For example, we don't like meat. You don't swim in the river. They don't have cats. But third person singular again forms a little bit different. We add not to auxiliary verb does, and for example, He doesn't eat meat. She doesn't learn Spanish. It doesn't freeze. Use of present simple. We use present simple for actions which happen always, every day, constantly, regularly, often, frequently, sometimes, seldom, rarely, and never. For example, I go to work every day. He often goes swimming. She rarely makes mistakes. We never fight. For facts, for example, the sun rises in the east. It snows in winter. For schedules, for example, the plane departs from airport at 8 p.m. The film starts at 10 o'clock. For sport commentaries, reviews, and narrations, for example, Hugh kicks the ball and passes it to Devson. Laura Hunt acts superbly in the film, so the prince tells his blah 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 narration. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us.